What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, I have a package here from Amazon Prime. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. So this is the YD IDR 903 from Independence Day. This is an ATOP model. Says headless mode on there. So this is an aircraft that's modeled after one of the UFOs rather, from Independence Day. And it's that size of the Skydreamer Plus, and that's exactly what I was hoping for this thing to be the size and have the flight characteristics of the Skydreamer Plus. So let's get right in here and check it out. Those of you who are familiar with the channel and know a little bit about me should know that I love the Skydreamer Plus. Awesome model from ATOP. And I recently did a chop shop on it because it's pretty hard to find parts for it. So I ended up dropping my Skydreamer Plus flight controller into another body. I'll have a link in the description so you guys can check that out if you like. If you like that kind of stuff, I would advise that you go to my Chop Shop channel and sub. And so we have some extra props here. Look like they only gave us 2 of them though. Oh, we have the transmitter here. Exact same style transmitter as the Skydreamer Plus. It just has this special stuff on there. IDR it says on it. Check it out. No self-centering throttling. No self-centered throttle. And these sticks feel pretty nice. Pretty long too. So hopefully this thing is nice. Hopefully it has deviation compatibility. What's this? So this thing must have a camera on it. Yes, it does have a camera on it, just like the Skydreamer Plus has this same exact camera, but it's a different color. And so it comes with this card reader here. No card included, I guess. And so this thing looks awesome. I think it looks pretty nice. Pretty awesome, unique looking model. There is a card in there too. Let's check it out. A 4 GB card. Not sure what class this card is. Looks more than likely a cheaper type. Oh, we have screws here holding these prop guards on. We're definitely going to take these prop guards off. And so let's see. On and off switch here. The battery must not be connected inside there. So the battery is a 300 milliamp hour battery. 1S, of course. With a micro LoC connector on it. There. Having a problem focusing. Oh, let's check it out and see if it has any lights. Does have an on and off switch, which is awesome. So it does have lights. We have green in the front, red in the back. They got it right. And so you guys can expect some flight footage of this thing coming up really soon. And ultimately, a quick review or full review. It's the Skydreamer Plus formed into an Independence Day craft. Let's see, what's the name of this thing? It's the YDIDR 903 Independence Day craft. Earth Space Defense, it says. Thanks for watching.